Hi guys, so this is going to be the first time that I'm actually making a video like via my computer. So I hope that everybody still likes the quality and everything. We'll just see what people say. So I'm going to do a quick tutorial today on how to do this hair that I have, this long, beautiful, luscious hair that I need to brush. So it's kind of Ariana Grande style. Let's see if you can see it from this way. You can't tell that it's fake from behind. At least I don't think you can tell that it's fake. So, yeah. Everybody always asks me if this is my real hair. That's why I decided to do a tutorial today. I'm going to brush it out a little bit because it is a human blend hair. So it's not all human hair. It's mixed with some fake hair. So, first what we're going to do is I'm going to start over the least favorite part of this is going to be me taking it out, putting it back in. But it's honestly not that bad, so I'm going to show you guys what to do. So this is a drawstring ponytail extension. You get these from pretty much anywhere. I'm going to look online and actually put in the description where to get them from. It literally looks like this. And if you can't see, it's hard to see with this. But it has the drawstring. 2 clips. I put one on the top and one on the bottom. So when I put it in this way. So yeah. Top, bottom, drawstring. I also tuck the drawstring in so you can't see it. Sorry, I had to use this stupid light. I don't have a lot of good lighting. So anyways, what I'm going to do is redo this whole thing. So what you want to pretty much do is just put your hair up in a bun like it is now. Honestly, this bun is like too small, or not too small, it's too low. I like my ponytails to be really high, so you can literally put this you can put it as low or as high as you want. But for me, I prefer to have it high. So if you're just starting out with your hair down, you just want to pick up all your hair, brush it the way that you want, like how high you want it. I just got out of the shower and blow dried the top of my hair, but not the bottom, so it's like kind of wet and kind of dry at the same time. So you just want to do a tight one so that your hair doesn't rip as easily. My hairstylist told me when I do these high ponytails, this is my natural hair, when I do these high ponytails or whatever, what you want to do is use a scrunchie like this, wrapping the hair, especially if your hair is wet, because then your hair won't break as much, if that makes sense. Sorry, I keep looking at myself. It's weird because you're like talking to yourself, but you're actually talking to the camera, so yeah. Anyways, so I'm going to use a scrunchie so that my hair doesn't break off or anything like that. And you want to just literally take a brush, comb it all through, comb it up, comb it on the side, comb it everywhere. Just make sure that it's all straight and where you want it. Then take it in a ponytail. You can, I don't know if you can do it another way, but the only way that really works for me is putting my hair in a bun. So how I get the tall bun is that I put the scrunchie in, make a ponytail. Then I take the hair, wrap it around the ponytail, and that's my own hair, not the thing, obviously. Then take another bun or scrunchie, which I just am using a rubber band this time. I just don't want to use it around the other, like the actual ponytail itself, because I don't want it to rip. They said it would be easier like this, it'll work better. Then take your ponytail, oops, I dropped my brush. This is just kind of a crazy video because I have a baby and I'm trying to make it fast, and I just thought that you could like use this because I love hair and I watched videos like this before I got mine. So anyways, brush your ponytail out. I'm sure you can get different ones that are not drawstring, but personally I like the drawstring, and I plan on getting some more of these. Not the exact same, maybe one more drawstring one, and then I want to try some other ones that clip in and stuff to your ponytail itself so that you can have an actual ponytail and then it just like adds length to it instead of using a whole fake piece, if that makes sense. But I like this a lot. The only downfall is brushing it because it is a blend, like I said, so it's not completely real hair, like all of it. Some of it is fake hair. I think I want to get another one where it is all real hair because it's so much easier to take care of and brush and everything. And I feel like you can do more with it because like I feel like if I would try to like, I probably could curl this. I didn't ask though, but I'm gonna go back up to the store. It's literally all the way in Charlotte, and I'm not gonna say where I live, but it's all the way in Charlotte, and I live in North Carolina, so it's like 30 minutes. No, it's probably like an hour from me. So driving an hour just to get one thing is not that bad, I guess, every once in a while. So, anyways, we'll see how long this lasts and everything. So now okay, I'm gonna brush this one piece. See, this is what I'm talking about. I kind of want to try another one, but this is like this is probably the easiest and nicest you're gonna get though. That's like the easiest to put in. It's just, I want it to be all real hair, but real hair blend is cheaper. So take the top clip. See the clip? It's kind of hard to see with my background going on. So you want to take the top clip of this, and I take it over, stick the top clip into the top of your bun. That's just how I started out. So stick it into the bun, literally at the bottom of the bun. Then, since you're doing this without being able to see, you want to take the side of it and pull it over. Take the drawstring that's right here. Sorry if this is hard to see. Take the drawstring. There's going to be hair all over, but that's okay. Just kind of move it as much as you can. And then take the drawstring and you want to hold it down, push it into the desired tightness. I try to do it pretty tight. Even if you just clipped it, it would still stay, I promise you. Like, this stays in so good. I take the drawstring and I tuck it up and underneath. I don't know if you can see that very good without the hair getting in. It's kind of frustrating when you have the hair. But just take it. Where'd it go? It's all downfall to a drawstring. Okay, there we go. Take it under, tuck it under so that you can't see it. That's just what I do. They didn't tell me to do that. And then you take the back clip and put it into the bun as well. You can put it in your your hair or under the bun. So just like right under here, like where the bun would be. And then you're done. Flip it. Just brush it out, to make sure. This is so long. But yeah, I'm going to show you how long it is. My baby's playing over there, so you'll see her playing. Okay, so this is how it looks. It's really pretty. Make sure you can see all of it. I'm going to tilt this up so you guys can see a little bit better. There we go. Okay, so you can see the top. If I didn't have such a dark background, maybe this would look better. But yeah, see the long pony. I need a light on. Why didn't I think of putting a light on? I don't know. Hold on, I'm going to put a light on so you guys can see. Alright, sorry guys, I'm back. I'm going to show you how it looks with the light on. Maybe you can see it a little bit better. It's hard because it's like dark background. If I just had a white background, it'd be so much easier to see. But yeah, this is it. And you can kind of flip it as you want. You can have it in the front, the side. It's pretty sturdy. You can pull on it. I'm sure if you have the skill, you could braid this. I've never tried though. But yeah, if you look at it, it looks pretty dang real. I'm using this light because this computer sucks. But yeah, see, it looks really real. And I'm going to leave a description. What I'm trying to say is, I don't know if you can get the same one because I did get it from a wig store, close to me. They do have a website, but I don't think they sell these on there. I'll look, but I'm going to put below one that is exactly like this or as close as possible because this is like just such a great thing. Like, I'll go get my hair washed and blown out and I'll have it like done really pretty. And then I'll run out of things to do with my hair because it will start to get like gross. By the last day, like day 5 of washing my hair and doing my hair, I'll literally just put it up in a ponytail like this, and then I'll put it in a bun and then put this on, and it looks great. So it's just an easy thing to do, especially if your hair is, not long enough and you want some pretty length. Well, now the baby's like starting to freak out. I was also gonna do just a quick outfit of the day. So today I'm gonna be using. This is what I wore today. She's being crazy. So this is what I wore today. My pretty little bag. It's Louis Vuitton. I don't remember what it's called, to be honest with you. But it has the gold thing. So I was wearing this today. And then I have these cute flats on. You can't really see them. I'll get you in a second. So they're kind of these cute flats. Really pretty. And then this from TJ Maxx. This was from Belk. These pants with a little bit of a rip in them. You can barely see. I need a whole light system here. I need like a giant luminary light. And then this top from TJ Maxx. It's like the cold shoulder. And then this cute vest type thing, which is kind of fallish, but it was kind of chilly today. So this is what I wore. I had an interview and everything, and it went great. So yeah, now I'm going to get baby. Oh, crazy girl. So now we're going to say goodbye. Say bye. Say bye. All right. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. I also do, I was thinking about doing videos with her, you know, like doing like videos of her outfits or something. I don't know, like maybe making it a little bit about her too. I really like beauty, makeup, hair, but I kind of want to do some mom stuff too, so we'll see. But yeah, let me know. Bye.